morning, y'all. It is 8:30 in the morning. I'm actually at the vending machine warehouse to go ahead and put my down payment on this machine here. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm super excited. So I'm actually at the warehouse about to pay for this machine. They're gonna deliver it to my location on Saturday, and I'm gonna show you guys everything. So I just pulled in here and I see him out packing. So we're together because yeah. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go in now. Hi, good morning. Okay, thanks. Is it okay if I vlog with my YouTube channel? Is that okay? Okay, sorry. So we are here. I'm just gonna go to the front. Yeah, I look crazy right now because it is 8:30 in the morning. I'm actually supposed to be at work. My computer's in my car, so no worries. I just dropped Carson off at school, but I had to come down here to pay them to do the deposit for the vending machine, and they will deliver it for me also. So if you guys need a vending machine in Houston, come here. Sorry.
Do you need time?
No, I'm good.
I could do others.
No, I'm good, yeah. Brought my camera because I'm vlogging my journey.
Okay.
So I'm gonna take some pictures of the inside real quick, you guys, and then oh, I didn't even give you the cash.
I did. I totally forgot.
Me too.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You guys, this is my machine. Look at it, y'all. So I'm about to just take some pictures of like the inside. And again, y'all, they have a lot in here if y'all wanna come buy some. If you in Houston, they got drink machines, snack machines, all right, you guys. So, boy, it is bright. Like, I almost just shed a tear.
Then the destination is on your right.
Just left the vending machine warehouse. So I just left the vending machine warehouse, you guys, and why is it so bright out here? Like, dang, it's 9. It's not even 9 yet, and it's just this is just, I cannot, like, y'all, like I'm about to cry. And the sun, my eyes are so sensitive to the sun, y'all, so sensitive. Like, I can't. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get home, because I can't. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel.
Yeah, this is on my channel.
Oh, is
yeah.
it?
So you can be a boy.
Yeah, these kids has arced my life. Okay, it's Friday. Anyways, welcome back to my channel, you guys. Carson.
Yeah. Hey, my name is Carson, and I am the Wimple Zimple. So this is my channel. So make sure you give me 100 subscribers. That's how close go. But that's what. I hit 160,000 subscribers.
You did?
Yeah.
wow, congrats.
Ooh.
Hey.
Whoa, whoa.
My only like baby brother, y'all, that I can she grow up. Look at him. He's looking like me. Him looking like me. You not ticklish?
Nope. No. I'm ticklish. Well, you know I'm ticklish.
You not ticklish at all?
Tickle me.
I know my name.
Yeah.
Y'all, look at Pumpkin. She a teenager and she thinks she be running something. Look at her, look. Look at her.
Sit down.
Look.
Cause they been annoying.
Cause they what? They been annoying.
Yeah.
Alright, Coco, where's it?
Alright, you guys, we made it to the park. Mama, how y'all liking Texas so far?
Oh, we like it. It's done got cold.
Yeah, it's chilly now, y'all. Whoa, it's cold. They out here on these things right here. Look at, let me see you do it again, Pumpkin. You ain't moving.
I know I'm gonna fall if I do.
Y'all, we about to go with these little glider bikes.
Why you got to record me?
We finna go ride these bikes, y'all. Come to Gliders in Houston, GlyderzWorld. I'm gonna show you, I heard them. Y'all, look at it. Oh my God, how did you, she already went, y'all. Good. Ooh, now I'm gonna drop out all my comes on the floor. But good morning, you guys. So today is Saturday. My family's in town. I have a few errands to run with the vending machine business. I'm about to take my product catalog to the owner of the first location, and I'm putting it in so she can choose some personal products that she wants to put inside her vending machine if she wants to like have any of her choice in there aside from the sets that I will be putting in there. So I'm about to run the product catalog to her. I'm running a little late, and then I think we're gonna go to Six Flags today. I really don't know, but yep. So I'm about to drop this off to her, and then I'll catch up with y'all later. Peace out. All right, guys. So we came